What is up guys, Joe the Night here. I'm going to show you how to make a CD. Make a CD to play in your CD player or car stereo. So, what you have to do is go here. Okay, and then type in Windows Media Player. Or you can just type Media Player. And then open File Explorer and view your files and drag them to your burn list. Now you got your burn list, so you can always try. You can now. I haven't even inserted a blank disk yet, so insert your blank disk. Make sure it's not a rewrite. Make sure it's never a rewritable one. It could go a bit weird. Always make sure to use a CDR. They're really common. And then you can just click Start Burn. And another thing, burn options. Make sure it's an audio CD over here, and then you can click Stop Burn. And when it's done, it will take a few minutes. It will eject, and then you can try playing it into a CD player, and then it will play all your music. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, viewers. Peace out.